Here's a quick tip on how to fix stroke intersections when they don't look seamless. So here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and if I just pick the line tool and I draw a line with an angle like this, and then I draw another line from this point right here and straight up. So now if I just unselect this line, we can tell that this line right here is actually poking all the way through this line right here. So we want to get rid of this. Unfortunately, the solution is really simple. Simply select these lines or your entire artwork, then we go to the stroke menu right here, and the reason why the stroke pokes through this line right here is simply because you probably by mistake has selected projecting cap right here instead of butt cap right here. Butt cap makes all the lines cut off right at the anchor point. You could also select rounded cap, and this will work in most cases as well. But if you don't need the round caps on the lines, just go with butt cap. And simply keep butt cap selected when drawing new lines. Butt cap, by the way, is also selected as the default cap. So this is how you fix this annoying issue. Now you can watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.